Hi everybody, this time we're going to have a quick look at scientific notation. Scientific notation has a particular mode to it. So if I make this full screen, a number in scientific notation should have a digit, a non-zero digit out the front, a decimal place, some more digits, and then multiplied by 10 to some power. The power can be positive or negative, it can even be zero. So the trick is, how do we convert a number into scientific notation? Well, the main idea is that 10 to any power will be 10 or 1 if it's to the power of 0. 10 to the power of 1 is 10. 10 to the power of 2 is 100, so on and so forth. So by multiplying it by this, we're going to be moving the decimal place. So in this case, we need to move the decimal place 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 places. So it's going to be 4.5 by 10 to the 6. In this case, we're going to move it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 places in the opposite direction. So it's going to be 4.0 by 10 to, I forgot the number now, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 places, -7. A number between 0 and 1 will have a negative index. Any number bigger will have a positive index. If it's in the negative space, it'll have a negative sign in front, but the negative sign in front is different to the negative sign on the index. So let's try another one. So if we're going in the other direction, we need to think about what this number means, and this will be 9.34 by 10 to the 5. So that's 10 times 10 times 10 times 10 times 10. That'd be 1 with 5 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that's 100,000. So we're going to multiply 9.34 by 100,000, which would give us 934,000. But if we didn't want to have to think about it in terms of multiplication, we could just use a shortcut. And this is what I usually do because I'm slack. I'll write 9, 3, 4, and a whole heap of zeros after it. And then I'll think about how many decimal places that I have to move. So I have to move 5 decimal places. I start here, 1, 2, 3, 4, put the decimal place in, and delete the rest. And similarly in the other direction, this is 4.71 divided by 10 to the 5. So it's a very small number. So I'll put 471 down this end, put some zeros in front of it, consider where the decimal place was, which was here. And I'm going to move it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 places. So my decimal point goes here. I hope that makes sense, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you, everybody.